If you guys want to know how to make your intercooler go from this to that, go ahead and watch the full video. Hey guys, we just got done flushing out the intercooler. It was super dirty. If you didn't watch that video, go ahead and watch it. It was disgusting, the amount of stuff that came up through the entire intercooler. It was all green and murky and it looked like it came out of the sewer. Now that we got the dirtier part done, we're gonna go ahead and get the other dirty part, which is cleaning up the outside. I'm gonna clean it up and polish it. That way it looks a lot better when it's in the truck instead of all this, 30-year-old intercooler. More like 20 years, came out of a 7.3 Powerstroke. But anyway, we go ahead and clean it up. Both sides are pretty dirty, so here we go. That's just from pressure washing it on one side. All that was stuck in the fins. And to clean it all off, I'm gonna use some P&S Brake Buster. You can also use Super Clean. You get this at Walmart. None of these are gonna be diluted. Now, if it was sunny and hot out, you wouldn't wanna let this stuff dry on the intercooler because it can pit it, but it's about to rain, so it's okay to let it sit on here. So I'm gonna let it sit on here for a couple minutes and let it work its magic. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to hurry this part up. Okay, so I just finished polishing one side. Pretty easy to tell. This side is all pitted and stuff. I haven't touched this side yet, but it's all pitted and it's all faded. And this side, no more pitting, no more fading. It looks brand new. Brand freaking new, pretty much. It's really shiny, looks amazing. So we went from this to this, and it's super simple. All I did was use two things. I used 120 grit, and then once I got all the big stuff down, I finished it up with 220. The first time after I got done with the 220, I did use Mother's aluminum polish, and it kind of it made it darker, and it didn't make it shine as much. I don't know why it doesn't work. Normally it works amazing, but on this, it just didn't work for me. Like I said, just made it darker. It didn't bring out the shine at all. It actually kind of hid the shine. It was a darker, deeper color, but it didn't shine. So not too sure what's going on with that. Maybe it'll work for you guys, just didn't work for me. So yeah, all I did was 120, then 220. So after I got these edges polished up, I taped it all off. And I did the same on the other side. I taped all this off. Then I used some Rust-Oleum metallic finish paint. It's like a one-off chrome, apparently. Looking here, you can't even tell the difference between the polished aluminum and the chrome. It only took me 2 coats to get it where I wanted it, but I think it turned out amazing. Just sitting in my truck, it looks so much better than it did before I even touched this intercooler. So overall, this probably took about 2 hours of time from start to finish, and I think it just worked out perfect. To buy a brand new intercooler that's shiny is $1,100, and I picked this up for $350 plus materials for sandpaper and paint, which is probably, I don't know, not even $30. So let's just say $280 to make this intercooler look just like a brand new one. Can't beat that. That's all I got for this one. If you guys have ever stored an intercooler and did it a different way, I'd love to know. Let me know down in the comments what you did, what you think I could do better, and what all has worked for you. See you guys on the next one.